Hello and welcome. My name's Jamie Mordaunt and welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let's build this channel together, guys. Now, part of my job is not just about investments and making money. It's about wealth creation and wealth preservation. These are two vital things to making sure that your life, your family's life and your loved one's life is taken care of in case things do go wrong. Now, how do we do that? We've got to look to the long term. Things might be great today, but it doesn't always stay like that. I've had clients who have passed away, who have been as fit as anything, triathletes, people that ran 10 miles a day. Something bad can happen and you can pass away. And then what happens? What happens to your wife or to your family, to your mother? Have you planned for their future? Are you the breadwinner? If you're the breadwinner, you've got to make sure that they've been looked after for the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. Their lives will go on, but there's going to be that point where they've got to grieve over you and they've got to work out how they're going to get through things. Have you got children? Have you planned for their children's education? They're going to go to university. That's going to cost $1 million. Have you planned for that? Or are they going to have to get a second and third job to get themselves through university? That's where life insurance comes in. The younger you get it, the cheaper it is. Now, there are two types of life insurance. There's permanent and there's termed life insurance. Now, what's the difference between them? It's pretty simple. Permanent is exactly what it says it is. You buy it today and you pay for it every single month at the same price, and when you die, your money goes to your loved ones. It pays off your estate, it'll pay off your debts or your mortgage or your children's educations or whatever it is that you want it to do. And then there's termed. That's a shorter time and you think, okay, I want to make sure over the next 10, 15 years that everyone's covered. And after that, the children are grown up, so I don't need to worry about that, or I don't have a wife anymore, whatever it is, you've got a term that you want to actually invest into. And I say invest because that's exactly what it is. You're investing into maybe not your future, but into your loved one's future. So term insurance is for a period of time and permanent is for a lot longer. What's the difference between the two? Basically the price. The permanent, although it's a longer term, will be cheaper. Now, don't get me wrong, insurance companies know what they're doing. They can charge small amounts because they know the likelihood of you passing away when you are younger is far less than when you are older, when you do get older. So they can sort of dollar cost average out those prices. Now, don't just talk to any old, I'm sorry I shouldn't say it, AIA salesman out there, because they are exactly that, they are salesmen. Talk to someone that really knows about this stuff and can go into detail with you. Someone that actually cares about you and your family and is not just trying to sell one little life insurance policy. Just because you are Joe Bloggs living in Guatemala doesn't mean that your policy should be the same as Joe Bloggs living in Vegas. Okay? Everyone's different, everyone's circumstances are different. Where you live, the tax implications on the investments, on the insurances. Talk to someone that knows what they're talking about. If you're going to go for brain surgery, you wouldn't go and talk to some guy on the side of the street, would you? To say, hey, where should I get the injections in my head? No, you wouldn't. You'd talk to a proper brain surgeon to get it done. Right, guys, I could talk about insurance for days, but that's just a little bit I want to talk about today, and I want to make sure that if you do have family, you do have loved ones, go get some life insurance. The younger you get it, the cheaper it will be, and the less worry you'll have. It's not rocket science, guys. Get it done. My name's Jamie Mordaunt. Thank you. Please like and subscribe, and let's build our wealth together. Let's look after our families together, and let's all be happy together.